welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I am super excited. One of my favorite subscriptions has come in. As you can see from the description down below, today we are going to be unboxing the May 2019 Bauble mail. This is my third month getting this, and it is absolutely amazing. It is an earring subscription. It is only $8.95 a month, and you receive a new pair of earrings every month. And the earrings are gorgeous. Both pairs that I've received so far have been amazing. In fact, one of them I wear a lot. You have probably seen me wear them a lot. They're silver and they hang down about like this. They're so beautiful. I wear them all the time. So I am going to go ahead and open this bad boy, show you guys, and yeah, this is amazing. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, because you really can't beat this for the $8.95 for a new pair of earrings. And like I said, they're always beautiful. And you can choose between like gold and silver. I go with silver because I do wear rose gold some. I'm not too big on gold, but every now and then I will. So silver to me definitely was what I wanted to go with. So I like that there is that option. And there's always, and I think this is so cute, some kind of little treat. So we got a sucker. There's some kind of treat in every bag every month, which is great. So this is how it comes when you take it out in this little sachet. And there's always a card, and I like these cards because they always have just a positive message. So this on the front says, "Embrace today." And on the back it says, "Live only in the present. It is a gift only you can give to yourself. Love, Rebecca." She is the curator of this subscription, and she's amazing. And it says, "Tuck this card somewhere. You'll see it this month to be reminded." So I just think that is amazing. And like I said, every month the card is different, and it's just a little uplifting message. So we take our box out. Oh, yes. Does not disappoint. I have yet to be disappointed. This is my third month. Y'all, these are so cute. Comes on a little card that says Bauble mail. But you can see they are silver. They are just dangly, fun, simple earrings, but so gorgeous. They honestly look like, I'm trying to show you guys the best way. They honestly look almost like a coral pattern, like actual coral, which is appropriate for summertime. We're getting close to summer months, and you know, from a distance they're still gorgeous, but if you really look, you can kind of see, like I said, they're like a coral, which is amazing. These are so gorgeous. I know I will love these just as much as I have loved the other two pairs. So I am so excited. You guys, this subscription is amazing. And like I said, it is such a great value and a great way to build up your earring collection with amazing pieces. They do not turn your ears. I have very sensitive ears, and neither of the pairs that I've received before have done anything to my ears, so that is fantastic. And they're just good quality. Like, you know that by feeling them, wearing them, and like I said, the fact that they do not turn is amazing. I'm so excited to have another beautiful pair of earrings from Bauble mail, so thank you so much. I will leave it, like I said, a link down below for you guys if you would like to head over and sign up. I definitely do recommend it, especially, again, if you are looking for a fun, inexpensive subscription and a way to build up a jewelry collection, because these earrings, again, are always fabulous. So don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so definitely head over and check out that video and enter if you have not already. It does end on the 15th. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will catch you with the next one. Bye.